Welcome back. Less than a month to go for the presidential polls and the battle between Pranab and Sangma is heating up. Here's all the action in the race to Rasina Hill. With the race to the post of Indian President gaining momentum, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh expressed hopes of dissenting regional alliance partner the Trinamool Congress, extending its support to Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee's candidature. He said that he is optimistic and hence confident of Mamta backing Mukherjee's nomination. He also mentioned that he had personally requested an appeal to all the political fraternity to lend support to Mukherjee's nomination.
When it comes to dealing with the basic, as soon as we decided upon the nomination of Shri Pranab Mukherjee, I rang up Shri L.K. Advani, I rang up Sushma Swaraj, I rang up Arun Jaitley ji, requesting them to work with the government and the ruling coalition to ensure that Pranabji's election takes place unanimously. As far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned, Trinamool Congress is still part of the UPA, and I still have not given hope that Trinamool Congress would also find its way to support the candidature of Shri Pranab Mukherjee.
टीएमसी हमारी बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सहयोगी है और यूपीए 2 की भी वो फाउंडर है, यूपीए 1 में भी, तो इसलिए हम आगे भी उनके सहयोग की अपेक्षा करते हैं और हमें पूरी उम्मीद है कि वो अपने दोस्तों की भावनाओं को समझेंगे.
On a parallel note, Pranab Mukherjee has once again sought the support of all political parties. Asked whether the Trinamool would back him, here's what he had to say.
ব্যাপারে আমার কোনো মন্তব্য নেই. আমি কংগ্রেস ইউপিএ মনোনীত প্রার্থী এবং অন্যান্য দলের সমর্থিত প্রার্থী রাষ্ট্রপতি পদের নির্বাচনের জন্য আমি সকলের সমর্থন এবং সহযোগিতা চাচ্ছি. যে দলগুলি ইতিমধ্যেই তাদের সিদ্ধান্ত ঘোষণা করেছেন, স্বাভাবিকভাবেই তাদের দলের সদস্যরা তাদের সিদ্ধান্ত অনুযায়ী নির্বাচনে অংশ নেবেন. যারা এখনো সিদ্ধান্ত নেননি তাদের কাছে আমার আবেদন যে আপনারা ইউপিএর প্রার্থী এবং ইউপিএ কে অন্যান্য দল যারা ইউপিএ কে সমর্থন করেছেন ইউপিএ প্রার্থীকে তাদের সঙ্গে একমত হয়ে তারা সমর্থন করবে.
And Pranab Mukherjee's rival for the presidency, former Lok Sabha Speaker P. Sangma, has been campaigning from the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Sangma is supported by the BJP and the ruling Akali Dal in Punjab, and also by 2 prominent non-Congress chief ministers, Jayalalitha and Naveen Patnaik.
P is all-time low, right? If the international rating for credit has been downgraded, right? So much of corruption, who is responsible? You see, individually, it is the finance minister who is responsible for price rise, for corruption, for devaluation of the rupee, right? Black money. Collectively, Prime Minister and his cabinet. But individually, it is the finance minister who is responsible.
Meanwhile, Janata Party chief Subramanian Swamy continued voicing his support for the tribal candidates.
In this moment of time, if the MPs do not respond to the public wish, in fact, I am told that the Anna team has now decided to support Sangma. So, and this is the first time that a Christian candidate for the presidentship has come. We have had many Hindus and many Christians, many Muslims, and we have had Sikhs also. But this is the first time we are going to have a Christian candidate. So all these factors will melt the thing. People are going by party numbers and so on and so forth. They are looking in old-fashioned terms.
Towards part of the economic crisis and with rupee hitting a record low of 57 rupees per dollar, Prime Minister expressed confidence that some measures will be taken to lead rupee to a more stable path.
System which is market-based exchange rate. We intervene only to curb violent fluctuation. I am confident that the measures that I have outlined, they will return the rupee also to a more stable path.
Moving on, several striking pilots of Air India are sitting on a hunger strike at Jantar Mantar in the capital in another attempt to try and end the strike, which has now entered its 48th day, which has resulted in revenue losses of more than 500 crores. The fast is initially expected to last for 48 hours but could be extended. The pilots of the now de-recognized Indian Pilots Guild are demanding that the 101 pilots who were sacked earlier be reinstated, a condition that the management and particularly the ministry has vehemently opposed, saying that pilots would have to come back unconditionally.
This is my voice और मैं इसको कह के रहूंगा कि हमारे साथ इनजस्टिस हो रहा है और उसके लिए हम हंगर स्ट्राइक मर जाएंगे, पर हम अपनी बात बोल के रहेंगे और हम आपके माध्यम से चाहते हैं कि ये बात हम अपील करते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से, सोनिया गांधी जी से कि वो बात हमें उन पे पूरा विश्वास है, वो हमारी बात सुनेंगे। पर जो हमारा मैनेजमेंट है और जो मंत्री जी हैं, मंत्री जी का हमें अभी तक कोई स्टैंड क्लियर ही नहीं।
Senior leader of the Congress party, Harish Rawat, has condemned the strike, saying that they should hold the future of the airlines in top priority.
मेरी सहानुभूति उनके साथ हो सकती है, मगर पायलट्स की सहानुभूति एयर इंडिया के साथ नहीं दिखाई देती है। जो कंपनी इतनी रुग्ण हालत में हो कि उसको बचाना सबसे पहली प्रायोरिटी हो, तो उसमें उनको सम्मिलित होना चाहिए था और उन्होंने ये गलत समय पर हड़ताल की है।
It's another short break on this show. Stay with us.